Have you ever wondered how knuckles crack? It's not just a random noise, it's actually a fascinating process. When you stretch or pull your fingers, you create a negative pressure in the joint. This pressure change causes gases dissolved in the synovial fluid like carbon dioxide to form bubbles. When the pressure is released, those bubbles burst, creating that distinctive sound. And here's a fun fact, you can't crack the same knuckle again for about 20 minutes because the gas needs time to dissolve back into the fluid. Some people think cracking knuckles leads to arthritis, but studies show it doesn't. So, if you enjoy that satisfying sound, go ahead, just don't overdo it.